Welcome to Scorebuddy. My name is Robyn and I'm a senior CSM here at Scorebuddy along with being one of the BI SMEs. The plan for today is to take you through how you can navigate through Scorebuddy's BI tool. Let's begin. We do still have the agent engagement report, which of course emphasizes how your agents are using the system, whether yous as a company or your agents individually like to view their scores, accept them. Again, you have the option to see if a one-to-one was requested. And of course, most importantly, is the kudos points awarded. So this just allows you to keep track of the scores that were considered above and beyond or phenomenal, or let's say an agent was going through coaching. You want to be able to keep track of those extra mile evaluations, and you can do so here. Thank you very much for taking a very quick walk through our Scorebuddy BI. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager or your CSM, and they will be able to take you further and in more detail of our BI tool.